Oh my gosh, have y'all seen this?
Ruh-roh. We got a mystery on our hands.
Let's go, gang. We need to see Mandy.
She'll be right out.
What's this all about?
We're not really sure, but we're looking for help.
Well, what can we do to help?
I'm not really sure, but y'all are our best bet.
We won't let you down.
Thanks. We're counting on y'all.
This might brighten your day.
Thank you. Hey, I am so sorry about earlier. I really do hope you guys solve this case.
Guys, does something look different? Yeah, it does.
What changed? I don't know, but I gave the receptionist a mask.
That's it! The masks! We need to change the masks.
Let's try here.
There!
I think this should do it.